Hello everyone, today I'll be testing out the dev mode MCP server feature available in Figma. So you need a professional plan to access this, and currently it's only available on the Figma desktop app. Before using the server, just ensure to check for updates and making sure you're using the latest version of Figma. Then I'll go into a quick intro of what an MCP server is. So it's a way where AI models like Cursor can interact with Figma, generate code for Figma design, and then display it in a browser. So to enable the MCP server, you go into the main menu, you go under Preferences, make sure Enable Dev Mode MCP server is checked. Now here I've built out a Figma design. It's using components. It's pretty straightforward with like navigation and cards, but I've ensured that these components are connected to variables. So for instance, spacing, colors are all tied to variables, which would help with the coding side. Now I select the frame for this design. I right click on it, I go to copy paste as and click on copy link to selection. So that link is copied to the clipboard. Now you can go to the AI code generation tool of your choice. Here I'm using Cursor. So I open up Cursor. If you don't have a project set up, you need to create a file directory and then path into that file directory. So here I've gone into that directory. So by default, it will look like this. So first, you have to enable the Figma MCP server within Cursor. So to do that, you go into the settings and click on MCP tools. Here I've already enabled it, but if you're enabling it from fresh, you have to click on new MCP server and you have to paste this code into the mcp.json file. Then you have to enable, click this toggle and make sure it's checked and MCP is enabled. So from the Figma, we had gone and copied link to selection, and then into Cursor we are going to paste this and then specify create HTML and CSS for this Figma design. Ensure visual standards are maintained. So I'm going to run the code now. So here, as you can see, it's generating code. It's calling the MCP tool. This is going to take a bit. Okay, so it's waiting for approval, so I have to click accept. Okay, so here it generated the index.html, which is the HTML file, and already created the structure for the page. Now it's generating the style sheet. So yeah, the style sheet has been generated. So then you can open the index.html in the browser to view the result. So I'm going to go into the index.html and open using Chrome. So it has generated the basic structure of the page, although it has not retained a lot of the component properties. it chose to add its own like iconography, and it's not linking uh, to the images. So yeah, but it was able to create the structure and the basic styling.